Hello guys, in this video we will see what is dev error said in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step about understanding dev error status. Content dev error status is a common and frustrating error in Call of Duty Warzone, typically causing the game to crash to the desktop without warning. While the exact cause can vary, it is frequently linked to issues with the graphics processing unit, to outdated or corrupted display drivers, insufficient system memory, RAM, or corrupted game files. It often indicates that the game is encountering a critical error when trying to render graphics or access system resources, leading to instability and a forced shutdown.
Update your graphics drivers. Content. One of the most prevalent causes of dev error status is outdated or corrupted graphics drivers. To fix this, you should ensure your boot drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA users, download the latest drivers, My GeForce Experience, or directly from NVIDIA's website. For M users, use M Software Adrenaline Edition or their official website. Perform a clean installation of the drivers, which typically involves selecting a custom or clean install option during the setup process, as this removes old driver files that might be causing conflicts. Verify and repair game files. Content corrupted or missing game files can also trigger dev error status. The Battle.net desktop application provides a built-in tool to address this. Open the Battle.net launcher, navigate to the Call of Duty Warzone game page, click on the Options cog wheel icon, and select Scan and Repair. This process will check the integrity of your game files against the official game data and automatically download and replace any corrupted or missing files, potentially resolving the error.
Step we adjust in-game graphics settings. Content high graphics settings can sometimes push your game beyond its limits, especially if you have limited RAM, leading to crashes like dev error says. To mitigate this, launch Warzone and navigate to the graphics settings. Reduce demanding options such as texture resolution, shadow map resolution, anti-aliasing, and post-processing effects. It's often beneficial to set display mode to full screen exclusive and ensure render resolution is at a load or less. Also, disable on-demand texture streaming and lower the video memory scale if applicable to prevent RAM overload.
Disable overlays and background applications. Content background applications and in-game overlays can sometimes conflict with Call of Duty Warzone, leading to instability and errors like disable all unnecessary programs running in the background before launching the game, including web browsers, streaming software, and system monitoring tools. Specifically, disable overlays from applications like Discord, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Box Game Bar, and M-Radian Adrenaline. These overlays can interfere with the game's rendering process and cause unexpected crashes.